Traveler's Compass, Sri Lanka Travel Tips.
Bei Reise mit uns.
Planning a trip to Sri Lanka? The island's weather is tropical, hot, sunny, and sometimes rainy. Sri Lanka enjoys a tropical climate, hot, humid, and sunny most of the year. Here's what you need to know about the seasons, best time to visit, and how to pack smart. Weather in Sri Lanka. The island has two main monsoon seasons. From May to September, the southwest monsoon brings rain to Colombo, Gale, Bentota, and Kandy, and from November to February, the northeast monsoon affects Trincomalee, Jaffna, and Arugam Bay. The best time to visit the west and south is December to April, while the east and north are ideal from May to September. Temperatures. Average temperatures in the lowlands range between 26 to 32 degrees Celsius, while the hill country, like Nuwara Eliya and Ella, can be much cooler at around 15 to 20 degrees. Packing tip. Don't forget sunscreen, a hat or cap, sunglasses and a light rain jacket or umbrella. That's the weather in Sri Lanka. Plan smart, pack right, and enjoy your trip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips.